What's tall and puffy but invasive all over?
These large stature types of cattail plants.
Invasive Phragmite plants. They steal food, water, and sunlight from native species.
It's just a matter of them being pushed out of certain environments.
And they're spreading, thanks in part to Michigan farmers. Fertilizers are cheap, so farmers can use lots of it to grow more crops, but not without consequence.
A lot of invasive species do exceptionally well when there is excess nitrogen and phosphorus in the water.
Phragmites grow in dense clusters, crowding out native plants.
They don't allow for the habitat as much.
Wetlands filter water, provide homes for animals, but invasives throw these ecosystems out of whack. MSU hydrogeologist Dr. Heineman and his team are on the case, researching how fertilizer moves through the environment.
How much of that water gets down into the groundwater system and eventually flows back to surface water.
And affects invasive plant growth and ecosystems.
And we're doing the hydrologic piece, which is like, this is how the water is going to come into play.
Grad students like Bailey Hanna analyze data.
The black line is what we did in our first study.
From readings they've collected at wetland monitoring sites.
And then just jam this bad boy in there.
NASA has given them $1.5 million to keep moving forward.
The main goal is to really help us understand how we as humans can live more effectively on the planet.
Dr. Heineman hopes that the project will ultimately spur change.
To do the kind of science that policymakers can actually look at and make science-based decisions.
U of M and Michigan Tech are also collaborators.
We were successful in our previous project, and that's a very important thing for NASA.
In East Lansing, I'm Chloe Keipel, Focal Point News.